Everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Ordinary Differential Equation asked in IITJAM 2023. So our question is, let y is the solution of this differential equation with condition this, then y1 is equals to, this is the initial value problem. So what is the solution of this equation? Let's see. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equals to e to the power x. First we have to find the CF for complementary function. So d square minus 2d plus 1 of y is equals to 0. Then its auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. So here we get m is equals to 1 comma 1. So our solution, our CF is y is equals to c1 plus x c2 e to the power x. Now next we have to find pi. For pi what we do? Here we do pi. So for pi e to the power x upon d square minus 2d plus 1, as denominator becomes 0 if we put 1 here. So we further differentiate it. What we get? This again we get 0. Now again we differentiate and we got x square minus e to the power x upon 2 as our pi. So final solution is y is equals to c1 plus x c2 e to the power x plus x square e to the power x upon 2. So this is our final solution. Now we will apply the condition y0 is equals to 0. If we apply y0 is equals to 0, we get what? We get y0 is equals to 0, we get what? We put 0 here, c1 is equals to 0. Now for next condition, y dash of 0 is equals to minus 1 by 2. For this we have to differentiate this and find the solution. So here we get c2 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So our required solution is y is equals to minus 1 upon 2 x e to the power x plus x square e to the power x upon 2. We have to find the value of this solution at var 1 comma 1. So y of 1 comma 1 is equals to, we put 1 in place of x, we get 1 upon 2 e plus 1 upon 2 e. So result which implies y1 is equals to 0. So this is the solution. So option A is correct. This is the solution of this question. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.